this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I've got this Jura N4 here, so this machine just came in for a tune-up. I did adjust the grind setting here on the grinder to make it a little bit finer, and then I removed the brew unit. I actually soaked it overnight. I replaced the gasket on that brew unit. Here's that old one, and lubricated everything, cleaned it, put it all back together. And then I just descaled the machine and cleaned the coffee system, so it was kind of regular maintenance. And I'm going to pull a shot just to show you the machine is working. There's our shot of espresso. Oops. And that's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.